Me, every restaurant I go, they always know me, Monsieur Gratin. I love my,
Oh, women.
I love Moi Gratin.
That's so Haitian. Oh my gosh. My mom must have got there too. That is so Haitian.
Yes,
Oh my
I
gosh.
went to a Haitian restaurant. I just put a video, the last one I did, because if I go to a Haitian restaurant, I'm gonna try to promote you. I'm gonna try to do what I can and
Hmm.
utilize my platform. She gave me the spaghetti, and she came back with a little ball of gratin.
Oh,
I ate so good.
oh, that's
Yeah.
good. Oh, a little boy got there for you.
Oh
That's sweet.
yes, oh yes, it was
That-
so good. But
yeah. Are
so
there any Haitian restaurants in New Orleans?
New Orleans, yes, there were two of them, Belle Fouchette and Rendezvous. I think both of
Mm.
them closed down since, and I did a video for both of them when I was there, and I know both of them.
Mm,
I actually spoke to Rendezvous, the owner of Rendezvous, recently. They have a,
that's a nice one.
I know they have a flower shop now in New Orleans. So
Okay.